Hi everyone. So we have reached end of the video series. Like we have concluded, and this is the last. What next I want to cover in here. So if you want to see the big picture, come to this page, this GitHub page, Codefarm 0 system design. If you see the readme on this one, this is the big picture that I have in my mind. Many more topics coming in here, possibly like whatever you can think of in the backend system design, that is I have placed in here. If you think anything is missing, please feel free to help me update this one, and gradually I will be uploading the videos and doing the research around that one, and we'll create the video around that one. So this is the first part that we just concluded. First one, that is in here, scaling from 0 to billions. You can directly get the YouTube playlist link here. Individual video links you can get in here. High level topics that have been covered in here, so these are not updated. Maybe by the time you are watching this series and you open this page, these will be updated also, right? So this one is concluded, and most interesting thing, like you want to get hold of this diagram also, right? So how you can get it? So come to this page, come to diagrams. In here you will see the mark map also that I showed in very first video. You will see the image representation of this one. Actually you have to download it, only then you will be able to see the complete picture, because GitHub just shows the code part around this one. So if you download this HTML file, because I have already downloaded it, and if you open it, this is just an HTML. You can see this entire diagram in here. Okay, and if you want to edit this one, draw.io is the tool that I have used to draw it. You can just import this diagram and you can play around with this one. Pretty easy to get started, right? So what other things you can get from the channel? Come to the channel, come to the playlist. There are a lot of videos, a lot of good topics around things that we used on daily basis. You can get hold of that and get more understanding around it, right? So if you want me to cover anything specific, help me understand that, share the topic. I will try to add that as well. Going forward, I am going to add more architecture videos, demos with the Spring Boot, many more things in plan, like about the generative AI. That is pretty good thing, and we cannot avoid, or we cannot skip this to understand the generative AI thing. So I am learning for my purpose, not the expert, but we should understand how it is there and how it is impacting the software industry. So that understanding, basically I will be sharing that as well. So I hope you are enjoying the content. So I'll see you in some other topic in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy learning.